This wood grill scraper is a safer, cleaner alternative to traditional wire brushes. It's made from solid pine and it's designed to last for years. It's made with easy shape technology, which naturally burns into the exact shape of your grill grates for a perfect fit every time you clean. I personally had a little trouble with this. Either my grill grates were not hot enough, or I just wasn't able to put the proper amount of pressure, but you can see how the grooves are starting to shape. And unlike metal brushes, there are no bristles to worry about getting into your food. It's just safe, non toxic cleaning. It's crafted from 100% natural pine hardwood. It's gentle on stainless steel, cast iron, or ceramic grates, so there shouldn't be any scratches or residue, just nice, clean cooking. I love that it's simple, safe, and built to last. Plus, if anything ever happens to it, they'll replace it for free. It's definitely one of my new grill must haves.